Welcome back to Market Bag. This week we're back at Linstead Market and we're joined by the poultry princess herself, Nikisha Graham, owner of Nikki's Yoke. This week, Nikki will be giving us an insight into the shortage of eggs on her farm. Hi, Nikisha.
Hi.
Ready?
Ready.
Let's go. The business going? I know that we have had an egg shortage for some time now, after Melissa, after Beryl.
Well, business was going great since 2021, and until Beryl came in July of 2024, that's when we started experiencing some problems. I lost birds during the hurricanes. I lost part of my building. This would be because of what happened in the storm. The birds, they got stressed, birds died, and the flow of eggs slowed down. I'm not gonna say stop, slowed down drastically, not just for myself, but for other poultry farmers in the business.
And then there was also the importation of eggs to help to subsidize the loss that you guys would have faced.
The government did a good job in importing the eggs and, spread them across, so that people can now start up at their little farm. And it's still there, the shortage is still there, but it's coming back slowly.
That's it for Market Bag. Thank you so much for joining us, Nikki.
You are most welcome.
Can you tell us where we can find you on social media?
Be sure to check me out on TikTok at Nikki's Yoke.
Okay, until next time, bye.